Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best nail filler is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the beauty arsenal, especially for those of us battling unsightly nail ridges. These ridges, whether vertical or horizontal, can make your nails look less than perfect. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nail fillers, exploring what they are, how they work, and which ones are worth your time and money. Number 5. Barielle Hydrating Ridge Filler. Are your nails dry and brittle? This product is designed to address those issues. It helps to fill and smooth nail ridges, promoting healthier nails. Dehydrated nails can lead to ridges and cracks. This hydrating formula from Barielle helps to repair and restore your nails. It provides the moisture they need to thrive. This product features a deep hydration and strengthening formula. It will help your nails grow and nourished and moisturized, leaving them strong and healthy. Use this product as a base coat before applying nail polish. It creates a smooth surface and helps your polish last longer. It's an essential step for a perfect manicure. Barielle offers a range of nail treatments for all your needs. From strengthening treatments to luxurious manicures, they have everything to achieve your nail goals. This product is proudly made in the USA. What we like. Barielle's Hydrating Ridge Filler deeply hydrates and strengthens your nails. This formula will help your nails grow and nourished and moisturized. If you have dry and brittle nails, this is the perfect choice to restore and smooth them. What people say. Fills and ridges and imperfections. Makes my nails look smooth and healthy. Easy to apply. Number 4. Dermelect Makeover Ridge Filler, healthy, smooth nails. Are your nails looking less than perfect? This award-winning treatment is here to help. It's designed to give you healthy, smooth nails. This product strengthens and moisturizes your nails. It's enriched with keratin and peptides to give them the care they deserve. Do you have ridges or imperfections? This filler conceals them, leaving your nails looking flawless. You'll love the results. The formula is packed with keratin and peptides. These ingredients work together to promote nail health. This will make them stronger. Get ready for beautiful nails. This 0.4 ounce product is your secret to a perfect manicure. Try it today. What we like. Dermelect Makeover Ridge Filler strengthens and moisturizes your nails, enriched with keratin and peptide. It also conceals imperfections for healthy, smooth nails. If you are looking for a treatment that not only fills ridges but also improves the overall health of your nails, you should consider this. What people say. This is the best nail polish treatment for aging fingernails. It does fill in ridges, it dries quickly, it is shiny, and it makes the surface of the nails smooth. It works, leaves your nails hard, it fills in the splits. Covers ridges and fills in nails completely. Dries quickly and looks like you just had a manicure. Number 3. ELLA+MILA All About the Base Ridge Filler. This is a long-lasting ridge filler base coat by ELLA+MILA. It is designed to improve your nail lacquer wear. It helps to create a smooth base for your manicure. This base coat is an effective treatment for damaged nails. It supports and enhances the appearance of natural nails. You will see instant and stunning results. This nail polish base coat fills uneven surfaces on the nail. Getting smooth fingernails has never been easier. Just apply one coat and prepare your nail bed. Give your nails the care they deserve. This clear nail polish fills nail ridges, priming them for top coat application. The product is vegan, cruelty-free, and crafted with love. It's made without harmful chemicals like acetone and formaldehyde. You can rest assured that this product is safe to use and planet-friendly. ELLA+MILA is committed to being environmentally responsible. What we like. ELLA+MILA's All About the Base offers a long-lasting formula for a smoother application of polish. This base coat fills uneven surfaces on the nail. If you like a product that is both effective and ethically made, this is a great option. What people say. A layer of this base coat has kept my nails long, healthy, and protected. This product provides a nice base for nail polish or can be worn alone for a natural look. Very smooth application and hides the grooves in my nails. Number 2. Barielle Nail Spackle repairs and conceals imperfections. This revolutionary formula helps you achieve flawless nails. It's designed to address common imperfections like ridges and discolorations. This treatment acts like cosmetic spackle for your nails. It effortlessly fills in uneven surfaces, creating a smooth appearance. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, it conceals imperfections. It also works to promote the health and resilience of your nails. To use, simply apply a thin layer onto clean, dry nails. Let it dry before applying your regular nail color or wear it alone. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to a salon-worthy finish. This is the secret to impeccable nails. Get yours today. This product is made in the USA and comes in a 0.47-ounce bottle. What we like. Barielle Nail Spackle conceals imperfections and fills ridges and chips. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, it promotes the health and resilience of your nails. If you are looking for an instant fix to hide imperfections and achieve a flawless finish, you should choose this. What people say. This is an excellent product. It evens the surface of the nail, even if you have ridges. It's not overly thick so dries quickly to a matte finish. I use 2 coats on heavily ridged nails. It also produces a slight blur so discoloration is masked and blemishes are minimized. If you wear clear polish, you really do need something to like this to create a smooth, pretty base. This is superior to the brand's Hydrating Ridge Filler because it offers more noticeable cosmetic benefits. This does a great job of adhering to my nails for long periods without starting to come off. Improves the look of my nails. All the divots and ridges are smoothed over and I'm left with a nice semi-opaque, semi-glossy coverage. Works nicely with several rehab-type products. Definitely recommend if you have less than smooth nail. Number 1. Nail Tech Nail Recovery Kit. Are your nails damaged? This Nail Tech Kit is designed to bring them back to life. It's a complete solution for stronger, healthier nails, helping you achieve the perfect manicure. This kit includes ridge filler, intensive therapy, and cuticle oil. Use them daily for the best results. This combination is the ultimate way to restore your nails. Intensive therapy uses a special protein formula to help weak, thin, or peeling nails. Applying it daily will help thicken your nails, making them stronger and more flexible. Renew Cuticle Oil is a blend of essential oils and moisturizers. Apply it daily to nourish and condition your cuticles. It helps maintain healthy cuticles. Foundation Ridge Filler is a unique base coat with strengtheners and fillers. It smooths uneven nail surfaces and protects your natural nails. This will make your nails look perfect. Nail Tech is a pro-approved treatment, voted best natural nail treatment. It's cruelty-free and made without harmful chemicals, keeping your nails safe and healthy. What we like. Nail Tech Repairs Damaged Nails Kit offers a 3-step nail recovery process. The kit strengthens and protects your nails. If you are looking for a complete solution to restore your nails to their former glory, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It fills in the ridges and makes my nails look smooth. This product works great and is easy to use. It really does fill in the ridges and make your nails look so much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.